Are we talking? Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. I'm a wife, I'm a mother, I'm a model, actress, motivational speaker, fashionista, but above all else, guess what? I am a makeup addict. May I never ever find a cure for my addictions. And that is why you are what? That is why you are here. Welcome, welcome. Wishing you lots of laughter, positivity, and great vibes. All right, so we are here, my darlings, because I made a promise to who? I made a promise to you guys. When was this for me? A couple of weeks ago, I said that I was going to do an individual makeup tutorial for all of the JUVIA'S Place mini palettes. But of course, as an influencer, you get packages left and right. So I had to do a little detour, but I'm back with my favorite brand of all time, JUVIA'S Place. JUVIA'S Place, like I said, had come out with 4 minis. What do I have here? I have the nude, I have the chocolate, and the violet. Why? Because I've already done the berry. So this is the chocolate right here. We'll be doing this sometime soon. Can't tell you when. And then we have the nude. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And then, my darlings, we have what you call the violets, my darlings. And at the back, let me see what it says. Let me see what it says. If I can see. See? It says here, wait, hold on. Oh, God. A sleek and beautiful hand-picked mauve tones and radiant violets to create stunning eye looks. And this is the look that I came up for you guys, my darlings. So let's start with the palette. I used every shade in this palette on my eyes. It retails, my darlings, for $13.99. The bundle, which I think is kind of sort of better because they're all fabulous, and I will show you, $52 with an extra 10% off with, guess what? My discount code. I'm just letting you all know because I get new followers, I get new subs all the time. So I just want you to know that if you're rocking with JUVIA'S, you love you some JUVIA'S, take my discount code. It will be right there at the bottom below. Now, good news, good news. I just found out JUVIA'S Place now has a YouTube channel. I'll put the link down below for you guys too. You guys have to follow them because I have a funny feeling that this is going to be really an interesting curve for them. And they're going to have all kinds of influencers coming into their headquarters to create content for you guys. Your favorite YouTubers, your favorite influencers will be going down there to be giving you love, life, and happiness. So what else do we know about the palette? Well, we know it's cruelty free. It has a lifespan of 12 months. Yes, my darlings. And it is designed and formulated in the USA. Alrighty, so inside the palette, we have 4 shimmers right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 mattes. So this is like a very, very warm violet. Isn't that gorgeous? We're going to go to the middle top one right here. And this one I used on my brow bone. Yes, right up there. This purple I used right in the center just to give it that extra pop. This matte is gorgeous. It's almost like an indigo, but it does belong to the violet family. This one right here, because they don't have names, is a very pale lilac-y purple. Isn't that life? And I use this right there in my tear duct just to give it an extra pop. Really, really beautiful. And then we have again a shimmer, and this I feel is close to this matte right here, but a shimmer. So you have a matte and then you have the shimmer in the same shade-ish. Look at how it turns out because of the shimmer. Yeah. And then the last but not least is this beautiful pale, which I used in my waterline, and it just opened up my eye. There you go. So there you have it, my darlings. Those are the shades. It is available on their website as we speak. But before you go on and purchase, sit back, enjoy yourselves, grab a drink, and enjoy this makeup tutorial. Okay? I'll see you in a bit.
Suddenly, the world I used to know, I see it differently. You woke me from a dream, now here's reality. Baby, baby, you are really hurting me. 'Cause every time you tell me I look good and that I'm doing fine, but nothing ever changes. And now I see, baby, you are hurting me. Stuck in repeat.
love, darlings? Do we love? I love. I live. I die. This is gorgeous. I loved the berry, but this is very glamorous. It's elegant. It really is giving me life. So let me go through other makeup products that I use. I use the Too Faced highlighter, which I'm living for. And this one I got in deep. This is the packaging right here. As you guys see, Born This Way, turn up the light, and I got this in deep. Beautiful, as you can see. And what I did was that I used the two colors. I used this one first, and then I used this one just to pop it a little bit more. And then I went with my favorite lashes right now, Cardi, yes. And these are actually for my friend, yes, Francis Starr. Francis Starr, let me turn it around, is a guy that I met at BeautyCon in LA last year. The sweetest guy. He's going to have a masterclass in New York. I'm going to put the link down below for you guys. Sweetest, most lovable guy. We hit it off from the very minute that we met. And these are his lashes. I live for these lashes. And then I use P. Louise for my base, and then I use the P. Louise black one as well to really pop up the shadow. As you very well know, it's a JUVIA'S Please tutorial, so I use the JUVIA'S foundation, which I love, and I use Tunisia for my face, and I use Benin for the highlighter, and Candace for the lip gloss. And these are my go-tos to really bring it together. I use, and you can see because I put everything in there for you guys, I used my MAC chestnut pencil, and that just compliments me for most lipsticks. So guys, you will be asking me, is this F.D.V approved? It is absolutely F.D.V approved. This, my darlings, for deep skin sisters, they were onto something here. This is so pretty. You're going to enjoy this beautiful date night look that you guys can get away with. And you know what I love about this? It's a huge alternative to the black smoky eye. This has that touch of color that you need, and it just, you know, really lifts up your face. All right, my darlings, I will see you very soon. Yes, because we have more makeup tutorials coming up for you. Okay, I hope that you love this. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below. I love you guys. Take very good care of yourselves. Try to be kind in a world that can be very harsh and cruel. And I will see you soon. Ula has just walked in. Ula, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, darlings.